Good morning students, welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the third chapter that is playing with the numbers. So students, today we are going to discuss about that what is that HCF, highest common factors. Okay students, so let us start now students. Already factors about we have studied that, but today we are going to discuss about that highest common factor. The short form we have to say HCF. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. So whenever the two numbers having that so many factors are there, which one is the common factor, and from that which one is the highest common factor, that you have to find out. Okay students, so let us start now that here we have to find out that one example which we can understand what is the HCF. We are finding that about that HCF. So first question, find the HCF of 12 and 18. Okay students, so first of all, what is the 12 factors of 12? What are that? You have to find out. Yes, friends. So first check that every one is the factor of every numbers. One is the factor of every number. So one we can write compulsory. Next, check that the 2 is divisible by 2 or 12 or not. 2 6 is 12. So 2 is also one factor. Yes. Next 3 4 is 12. 3 is one factor. 4 3 is 12. So 4 also. Also 6 2 is 12. Next 12 we can write. So greatest factor is the 12. Similarly, students 8 factors to find out. 1 is compulsory. Okay. Next 2 is divisible. So 2 4 ja. Next 4 2 ja. Next 8. Okay students. Now make the common factors. Okay. What are that? Round keep here 1 1 common. Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Next here 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Okay students. So what is that common factors? 1, 2 and 4. Yes or no students? Observe students. Here 1, 2, 4 is the common factor. So what is the highest common factor? So students, 4 is the highest common factor. So hence HCF is equal to how much students? 4. Okay. Did you understand about this? So common factors of 12 and 8 is equal to 1 2 4. So the highest common factor which one? The 4 is the highest common factor. So 4 we have to take the as a HCF. Okay students. Next we can go for other things students. Another one for examples I have written here. Find the HCF of 70, 105 and 75. Same like 3 numbers. Find out the factors first of all. So factors of 70. 1, first 1, 2 are divisible. So 2 35 ja. So 3 you have to check. 3 not possible. 4 check that. 4 1 ja 4. If 4 will be divisible or not, we have to see. 4 1 ja 4. 30. It won't be. Okay. So 4 won't be. 5 is divisible because 0 is there means 5 divisible. So 5. Next 6 not possible. 7 10 ja. So 7. Next 10. Okay. Next 14. Yes or no? Next 35. Yes. Next 70. So these are the factors of the 70. Next factors of 105. What is that students? So write down 1. Yes. 3 also because 1 plus 5 3 divisible. So 3. Next 5 also. Yes. Next 6 won't be. 7 also. 15 also. 15 7 is 105. Next 21 also. 35 and 105. So these are the you have to find out in home also. You can see and you can find out. 75 what are the students? 1 3 5 15 25 and 75. 1 3 5 15 25 and 75. Now I have written all the factors. Now we make it the common factors friends. So what are the common factors now? Give first of all 1 we can keep 1 1 1. Here 2 is there, here 2 not there. Next 5 5 5 is there. Next 7, 7 here, 7 are there. 10 here, 10 are there. 14, 14 are there. 35, 35 here, 35 also not there. 70, 70, 17 are there. So students, what are the common factors? You should observe that 1 common factor is 1 and a 5. Common factor is 1 and a 5. So highest common factor which one? The 5 is the highest common factor. Yes. So answer we can write it 5. So hence HCF is equal to 5. Okay. HCF of the three numbers is equal to 5. I hope you have understood about this. What is the HCF of the two numbers or three numbers by finding that what factors. Okay. Thank you all of you. Next we have to discuss about that prime factorization method by you have to find out the HCF, and also by the division method also you have to find out the HCF. Okay. Thank you.